Hello! To understand how the nth root of x equals x to the 1 over n, let's look into some examples involving radicals and exponents. For example, let's say we need to find the fifth root of x to the 20th power. To simplify this expression, it means to find something that we would raise to the fifth power to get x to the 20th power. And that would be x to the fourth power, because 4 times 5 equals 20. So then, the fifth root of x to the 20th power equals x to the fourth power. Now, let's see a similar example. This time, we will have the cube root of x to the 18th power. Again, we need to find something that we would raise to the third power and we would get x to the 18. That would be x to the 6th power, because 6 times 3 is 18. So then, the cube root of x to the 18th power is x to the 6th power. Now, notice that in both these examples, to get the exponent in the result, we need to divide the exponent by the index. So 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. Now, what about the following example, the fourth root of x cubed? Although we cannot get a whole number if we divide 3 by 4, we can still write this expression in exponential form by dividing the exponent by the index. So the exponential form will be x to the power of 3 over 4. And now, what about the nth root of x? In this expression, the exponent of x is 1. So to write it in exponential form, we need to divide the exponent 1 by the index n. So we get x to the 1 over n. And indeed, if we look for something that we would raise to the nth power to get x, that would be x to the 1 over n. And that is because when we multiply these two exponents, n cancels and we get the exponent 1. I hope this helped, and thank you for watching.